Before removing the back of your Sceptre monitor, safety is paramount. First, unplug the monitor from power and wait 24 to 48 hours. This allows internal capacitors to fully discharge, preventing electrical shock. Next, protect your monitor's sensitive electronic components by using an anti-static wrist strap. This prevents static electricity from damaging internal circuits during disassembly. Prepare a clean, well-lit workspace with adequate room to organize components. Use magnetic trays or labeled containers to keep track of different screw types and small parts. Begin disassembly by removing the monitor stand or VISA mount. Most Sceptre monitors have stands that detach by unscrewing bolts at the neck connection point. Finally, check for external screws that may be hidden under rubber feet or labels on the monitor's back panel. These screws secure the back cover and must be removed before proceeding with disassembly. These initial safety steps and preparations are essential for successful monitor disassembly. Taking time to properly prepare prevents component damage and ensures your safety throughout the process. The first step in bezel removal is using the correct tools. Plastic prying tools are essential to prevent scratches and damage to the monitor's surface. Start bezel removal at the corners where clips are typically weakest. Work systematically along the edges, applying gentle pressure to release each clip without forcing them. Before fully separating the bezel, disconnect any button panel or LED cables. These are typically small ribbon cables or wire harnesses that connect the front panel controls to the main board. Once the bezel is removed, you gain access to the LCD panel and internal components. The LCD panel is typically held by ribbon cables that must be carefully disconnected before lifting the panel. Ribbon cables are the most fragile components during disassembly. They connect the LCD panel to the control boards and require extremely gentle handling. Always lift the locking tabs before pulling the cables, and never pull on the cable itself. Remember these key points. Use plastic tools only, start at corners, disconnect cables before full separation, and handle ribbon cables with extreme care. Taking your time during this process prevents costly damage and ensures successful disassembly.